Hello everyone, this is Preeti here. In my last two videos, we spoke about life skills and confidence, understanding about the confidence. Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about understanding the issues faced by the students in the schools academically. Okay, now what happens when we conduct PTA, like parents teachers exam, parents teachers meeting? What happens there, parents they come with a lot of issues like मेरे बच्चे ने पढ़ा था भूल गया लिख नहीं पाया डर जाता है. तो ये दिस काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज हैपन. ओके, ये सारे इश्यूज होते हैं, पेरेंट्स फेस करते हैं. पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि उन्होंने पढ़ाया था, बच्चा भूल कैसे गया, बच्चा डर गया या बच्चा लिख नहीं पाया. बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलते हैं कि अरे उसने एग्ज़ाम में बहुत अच्छा किया था, उसने लिखा था, वो पर पता नहीं क्या हुआ, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. तो ये जो चीज़ें हैं, जैसे कि ये सारी जो इश्यूज होते हैं, ये क्यों आते हैं? क्यों बच्चा एग्ज़ाम में ब्लैंक हो जाता है, लिख नहीं पाता, या फिर कुछ गलत लिख के आ जाता है, या तो भूल जाता है या तो डर जाता है. ओके, और इसके सॉल्यूशंस क्या है, हम इस पे डिस्कस करेंगे. सॉल्यूशंस ये हो सकता है कि बच्चे के साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है. पहले तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है कि वो प्रेशर में आके कर रहा है, या तो वो प्रेशर में भूल जाता है, या तो वो डर जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको विश्वास नहीं है जो उसने पढ़ा है, लाइक रीड किया है, लर्न किया है. अब वो विश्वास क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि उसने शायद रट्टाफाई किया है. तो दिक्कत कहाँ होती है बच्चों को उनके आंसर्स लिखने में एग्ज़ाम में? अगर उन्होंने रट्टाफाई किया है, अगर उन्होंने सिर्फ लर्न किया है लेकिन उसको समझा नहीं है, अगर like see, once you rectify, if any single word you forget from the answer, you forget whole answer, and then you get scared, you get nervous, because now you are blank and you're not able to put it on the paper. Okay, so these are few issues that can happen with the kids during the exam. In the pressure they forget, and then may they forget the link of the answer, and they may have only rectified it or maybe mugged up, and that's why they forgot the answer. So this is not going to help them. Now what else can be the issue? There are chances, I'm sorry, there are chances that they may not able to write, they are not able to read. This can be also issue. We underestimate it, that yes, my child is in 7th and he can do it. No, you are not sure till the time you cross check it and you are confident enough for that. So I will always request to parents to understand whether your child is able to read, whether your child is able to write, and then he is able to understand, because this falls in comprehension. If your child is really good in comprehension, he will be able to understand the question and he'll be able to put it on the paper. So at the end of the day, with the kids who are facing issues in the academics, I would really request the parents to start with working on their comprehensions first. What happens with this? Once you start helping the child going at their level and helping them in the comprehension, their confidence level will grow and they will really do very good. See, I'm not saying the moment you start working they will get 10 out of 10, whatever. They may get 6, they may get 4, but they will be keep on improving, and your task is to appreciate them every time, and this is how they will be keep achieving. So please help them, please guide them, and start with basics. Basics can be like vowels, it can be reading, it can be small sentences, it can be understanding, it can be putting on the paper. These are very few very basics, but then yes, these are the things that helps the child to grow, that helps the child to build his confidence, that helps the child to do more. Because at the end you have to create the curiosity. If you create the curiosity, he'll fall for it, he'll do it, he'll himself do it, and you would never see, you will be amazed to see the change in your child. So please go down, understand, try to see where he is lagging. Now the moment I said that parents, they say this is what is happening, he reads and he forgets. So there are chances, which I again mentioned earlier, he may forgets because he has not learnt it properly. He may have not understand the story, he may have not understand the concept. So once you basically make him understand the concept and make him understand the like background of the question and answer, he'll be able to do it very well. And you can just take the revision, and you will be able to confidently see this smile on his face of achievement that he had done. Okay, and then for sure, if he has studied everything well, he is going to be confident enough to write in the paper. Okay, so this is few things that I wanted to share for now. I hope you like the video, share the video and subscribe for it. Thank you so much.